In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do Shopify SEO 5 minutes. We're going to set up the core SEO fields for your Shopify homepage so your store looks great in search results and when it's shared on social media. First, head to Shopify in your browser and sign into your store. From the admin dashboard, look at the left sidebar and open Online Store. This is where your storefront settings live. Inside Online Store, choose Preferences. Preferences collects important store-wide options, including the search engine details we're after. Scroll until you see the sections for social sharing image and for search engine optimization. These two areas control how your homepage appears on Google and how it's presented when someone shares your link on platforms like Facebook, X, or a messaging app. If you have a strong brand image ready, upload it as your social sharing image here. A landscape image around 1200 by 630 pixels usually displays well, and clear product or brand visuals tend to earn more clicks. Keep the file size modest so it loads quickly, and keep key text centered so it doesn't get cropped. Next, add a homepage title. Think of this as the headline that shows up in search results and browser tabs. Keep it concise, ideally under about 60 characters. Include your primary keyword near the beginning, and make sure it reflects what you actually sell. If you serve a specific city or niche, consider including that. A clean format is main keyword or product focus, then a separator like a pipe or dash, then your brand. Avoid stuffing keywords. Clarity and relevance help more than repetition, and don't reuse the exact same title on other pages. Now write your meta description. This short blurb appears under the title in search results and gives people a reason to visit. Aim for roughly 150 to 160 characters, use natural language, and highlight the benefit or unique value you offer. Front load the most important information, use action verbs, and consider mentioning a standout perk such as fast shipping, easy returns, or sustainable materials if that's central to your offer. Make sure it matches the content shoppers will actually find on your homepage. Accurate descriptions improve click-throughs and reduce quick bounces. Use the preview inside Shopify to see how your title and description may appear on search. If something gets cut off, trim it until the full message is visible. When you're happy with the title, description, and social image, save your changes. That's it for the essential Shopify SEO setup for your homepage. These fields are small but powerful. Set them once, review them occasionally, and you'll build a stronger foundation for everything else you do in search.